अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान मुलाकात और तस्फिये का ख्वाहिशमंद है। ईरान के साथ जो कर रहे हैं वो इससे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। धमकी अगर कोई मुआहदा ना हुआ तो वो मामला मुकम्मल तौर पर ख़त्म कर देंगे। पेंसिल्वेनिया में तकरीब से खिताब में ट्रंप ने मजीद कहा कि उन्हें डेडलाइंस देना पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन ईरान सारी सूरत हाल अच्छी तरह जानता है। बेहतर है वो अपना रवैया दुरुस्त कर ले।
We're doing really well with Iran. The Islamic Republic of Iran is not happy right now. Should have been done 47 years ago. Should have been done at least during the 47-year period. And it wasn't. Other presidents didn't do what was right. They should have done it a long time ago. It would have been much easier. And they want to settle so badly. They don't like what we're doing. And they do want to settle. We'll find out whether or not we settle with them or we just finish it off.
I don't like giving deadlines, but they pretty much know. They know the story.
So are you meeting?
They better behave.
Are you meeting